So Essential Daily Cleanser. So this is a very basic cleanser. The Essential line is really for normal to combination skin, but when we come into that cleanser range, this one's pretty versatile. Probably your true oily clients are not going to want to take this home as a one-time treatment. It would be fine. Even same with your drier clients. They may not want this as their everyday cleanser, but it's fine to use during a facial. So that wouldn't be a problem. The reason the oily clients wouldn't like it that much is because it is very low foaming cleanser. So you're not getting that surfactant in there that's really breaking down the oil on the skin. But we do have a little bit of papaya and pineapple. I would not call this a true exfoliating cleanser. It just has a little extra sweeping that happens in there. So, but we do have some vitamin E in here when we have a lot of aloe in here, because we want to keep that water content up in the skin. We don't want to strip the skin. We want to make sure that we're only taking away the dirt, oil, makeup, whatever is left on the skin, and not stripping it. So the way that you would use this is you take a small amount of the cleanser, put it in clean hands. So I always wash my hands, of course, beforehand, or even my gloves, wash my hands beforehand. If you put hand sanitizer, I know you know this, but I'm saying it just to cover all bases. If I put hand sanitizer on my gloves or on my hands first, and then try to go in and get any kind of foam going, double thumbs down, not going to work. But now you go in, you've got wet hands. You can put your cleanser in your hand. You want to add some water and start that emulsification process. So again, low foaming, you're not going to see a ton of foam happening, but you will start to get some foam going. If you're not getting any foam going, one of two problems. Either if you're wearing gloves, then that means you have too much hand sanitizer on your gloves, or you don't have enough water. So that's kind of the troubleshooting. So you'd work this into the skin just like you normally would. This is, your second cleanse, or an option for second cleanse. And then you remove it with a 4x4 or, cool 4x4 or a warm towel. You can add our algae polishing scrub into this if you want to kind of control it. So you've done your oil cleanse first, and then now you're going to do your Essential Daily Cleanser. You're going to use algae polishing scrub as the exfoliation for this client. So if you want, if that's the case, you can put it right in your hand with the essential cleanser, or you can foam up that essential cleanser first and then put it in. It's really a matter of preference, your personal preference, and work that into the skin. Helps to control those beads a little bit more too. So just as an option.
And I have a student who is allergic to pineapple. For her, that will be the contraindication not to use it.
Yes, ma'am. Yep. The only contraindications would be if somebody is allergic to any of these. When it comes to any product, I think most of the ones here don't have any other contraindications.